Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. Chelsea Manalo graced the red carpet of the GMA Gala 2024 with a stunning look that captivated everyone in attendance. Known for her impeccable sense of style, Chelsea did not disappoint as she stepped out in a breathtaking gown that perfectly encapsulated the essence of modern glamour. The gown, a custom creation by a renowned Filipino designer, featured intricate beadwork and delicate embroidery that shimmered under the event's light. The dress was a sophisticated shade of midnight black, a color that complemented Chelsea's radiant complexion and highlighted her striking features. The silhouette of the gown was a perfect blend of classic and contemporary, with the fitted bodice that accentuated her waist and a dramatic flowing skirt that trailed elegantly behind her as she walked. Chelsea's hair was styled, cascading that framed her face beautifully, giving her a timeless and effortless look. Her makeup was equally exquisite, with a focus on enhancing her natural beauty. She opted for a soft natural beauty eye that added a touch of drama to her look. Paired a light kissable lip that kept a overall aesthetic check and sophisticated. Her skin glowed with a flawless finish thanks to a subtle highlighter applied to her high points of her face. Accessorizing her stunning ensemble, Chelsea chose a pair of dazzling pearl earrings and a matching bracelet, both of which added just the right amount of sparkle without an overpowering her look. A slick silver clutch completed her ensemble, adding a final touch of elegance. And Chelsea's confident demeanor and radiant smile as she posed for photographers further enhanced her red carpet presence. Her look was a perfect reflection of her style, elegant and modern, and undeniable glamorous. As one of the standout appearances of the evening, Chelsea Manalo's red carpet look at the GMA Gala 2024 will undoubtedly be remembered and as one of the highlights of the event. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pagkomento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!